Hey, I'm with my friend John this evening, and we're going to do some drainage work, right, John?
Yes, sir.
What do we got going here?
Well, I have a problem with my house. As you can see, I've got this big tarp here. I had it actually leak into my family room, so we need to do something to prevent that. So we need to probably lay down some new drainage pipe off the downspouts and then run it out there and then put a whole bunch of dirt in.
So I think we'll just take the backhoe and we'll just start digging right down through here.
Cool beans.
Tell me about the electrical situation.
Well, there actually is nothing back here. The only thing that's running out there is a cable line that's back there, and that actually has been cut. So it did run that, so we have nothing that should be running back.
So we have nothing in this side of the house at all?
No. It's a tri-level, and we came home one afternoon after work, and the entire carpet was completely soggy. I thought it was the dog's fault.
Oh.
Poor dog, it wasn't his fault.
Yeah.
We had a really bad rain, and what was happening is it was sheeting off the top of this gutter up here and just hitting down there and then actually rolling in instead of rolling out.
Okay.
So I had to put this down one night. I've had many people try to come out and give me an estimate of what it would take to do this up, and it's been $6 grand to $7 grand. And
oh my goodness!
Talking to Master Tim here.
We're gonna clean up tonight, Christy.
Yeah.
Because they're going to dig it all up all the way up to there, and then put a barrier on it, and then put a French drain in, put it out there, and then put dirt back. The little backhoe thing's perfect. Got the tube. I got it. Are you sure? Not as smooth.
You can tell the gamers, Christy.
Yeah.
The gamers don't have any trouble with it. Handier than I am with it, Christy.
Yeah. I think you may have some competition.
Maybe I've got a new helper. Now, it doesn't really help a lot if you dump it all right back in the ditch.
Yeah, that didn't help out too much, did it?
Close, dude. You'll have to go more that way, I think.
It's better than Texas caliche.
There you go. Texas what?
Caliche. So it's limestone. So there's no basements in Texas because there's a limestone bed, and to dig it you have to have a pickaxe or something like this. All right, I'm taking too long. Come back here, master. I'm just playing.
You're doing good.
We'd add in an extra half hour if I was doing it. Short order of it. I think right here would be great because then it's going to slide all that way.
Something in there.
Yeah, there is.
Another rock.
Just get the crumbs out.
There's a little bit of a up right there.
Yeah, there is.
We want to.
So you just didn't have the crumbs cleaned out.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you.
Is he this hard to work with at work?
Yeah.
Maybe
No,
you
not
shouldn't
at all.
answer.
Tim's awesome. That looks pretty good. That's level, I think. This needs to be unscrewed, doesn't it? Or not. Or not.
Like what?
You said it needed to be unscrewed.
It didn't need to be unscrewed, but you just ripped it right off.
You just
That's awesome.
unwaned it.
Yeah.
Is that long enough to just do it like that? Well, actually, if you think about it, it will work because it's going to come and just jump right there.
Yeah, so I'll get the tile spade, dig a little bit. Get my old backhoe out.
Which is your old back.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Pull it out.
Such a great sound. It's like Blue Man Group. Hello. Hello. I had to duct tape it because I got the wrong size fitting here. So,
Yeah, that's some pretty good engineering right there going on.
let me tell you, duct tape is your best friend.
What are you laughing at? You like duct tape too.
I'd have left it alone. That's what I'm laughing at.
Oh, okay.
No.
Guy today commented on one of our videos. He says, "I hate people who do things halfway." I said, "Well, hate's a pretty strong word." He didn't say, "I hate things done halfway." He said, "I hate people who do things halfway." So I kind of took it personal.
Yeah. Which video was that?
When I was doing something halfway. John's doing all this work and he's getting all sweaty and everything. I'm almost
know.
chilly. I think I'm gonna get a coat.
But isn't that the way it's supposed to work, Tom?
Stop talking, work.
Let me tell you, I'm a pro with duct tape. I have fixed many things with duct tape.
You like comic books, right?
Oh, if you want to look, we can go look at my office after we get done here.
I don't know. I wanted our viewers to probably hear just how much you enjoy comic books. How many comic books do you have?
I have 12 long boxes. That's probably about 3,000.
3,000 comic books.
Wow.
It always works when you get the right thing. When
Hey,
you have
let's
the right appliances.
hang on to that tight and let's pull this thing out a little bit. Yeah, let's just. It might not be long enough.
Oh, I think it's gonna be.
Just.
It's long enough on this end.
Actually, we can take a junction between these two. I think this is the exact same length as that one.
We're in no hurry. You're not paying by the hour.
No.
You can relax. Yeah, I'm not paying you by the hour to do this job for you. You got enough there now?
Oh, yeah.
You guys are like two boys at the playground and the sandbox.
Oh, yeah.
It's good stuff.
That's
This
good
is
fun.
Most fun I've had all week.
But we're doing real work, aren't we? This is real.
We can see what we've done.
We can actually see what we've done. Whereas programmers, they just did it all day. And
You can't tell.
they turn off the electricity, you got no job.
Look, no more duct tape. He's
No more
actually
duct
using
tape.
Screws.
Real screws. That'll work?
Yeah, that's true. You'll still need deeper, won't you?
I don't think so. I mean,
Look where the ground level is, yeah.
okay.
John's got the crummy job.
Yes, I do. In more ways than one. That'll work.
So you just need another joint, don't you?
Need another joint, and I'll get that tomorrow. We can just cover. I can then cover that up myself.
Okay.
He's over here working hard.
He's got both of his grapples working.
Yeah.
Caveman style. Thank you so much. This is awesome.
Yeah, it was awesome to me too. I got to dig.
Yeah.
So we'll be back again to finish this project off. We're going to put a lot more dirt on it. Soil. For those of you who are snooty. John, this is good fun.
I like it. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Hey everybody. Tune in again
Good
next
morning.
time. Track your time with Tim. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.